This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Fiesta screen. First, let's tackle common issues like a frozen display or no image at all. Often, a simple soft reset can clear up minor glitches. Just hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until it reboots. Also, ensure all visible cables are securely connected. Sometimes a loose wire is the culprit. Next, let's dive into software solutions. Keeping your Ford Fiesta's infotainment system updated is crucial, as new versions often fix bugs. Check your owner's manual or the Ford website for instructions on how to update the software. If updates don't work, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember to back up any important settings or data first, as this will erase everything. Now, let's consider hardware. Carefully inspect your screen for any visible physical damage, like cracks or deep scratches, which could be causing the problem. Test the touchscreen's responsiveness by tapping different areas. If some parts don't react, the digitizer might be faulty. If all software and connection checks fail, replacing the screen assembly itself might be the most effective solution. If you've tried all these steps and your Ford Fiesta screen is still giving you trouble, it's probably time to consult a professional. A certified Ford technician has specialized tools and knowledge to diagnose more complex electrical or internal hardware issues. Remember to check if your vehicle is still under warranty, as screen malfunctions might be covered, saving you repair costs. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.